What's going on, my YouTubers? Biker Dave here, Horsepower House, with a little tip for you on removing adhesive labels or stickers, especially if it's on a product or a clamshell or something like that, and you just want to remove this right here. Quite often when you try to remove it, it's a difficult pain. It just leaves residue, or it just tears, and just leaves a big paper sticker left on it there. It just looks bad. So here's the easiest way I know to remove decals and stickers and things like that. Personally, I just use a little space heater, this little guy here that I've had forever, or you can use a powerful hair dryer or any kind of a electric fireplace or anything that's got some substantial heat in a little small space. Turn this bad boy on, let it get good and warm coming out of it here, so you may have to wait a few seconds, half a minute or whatever. Then take your whatever it is, hold it in front of this heater. It may take 30 seconds, it may take 2 minutes. It just depends. Anyway, just leave it on there for a few minutes. It'll be warm, so be careful, don't burn yourself. Because there is, adhesive on the backs of these labels, and when they're at room temperature or cool temperature, they don't usually want to come off all that easily. But if you warm it up nicely like this, a few more seconds, sometimes you'll even notice underneath it starts to pull away from the plastic. Okay, quickly come over. See if you can pick up underneath a little bit. And off she comes. Bada bing, bada boom. You can use any number of ways to do this, but it's so simple. And I use it for all kinds of different things where I want to remove a label or adhesive of some sort, graphics or whatever. Very simple. That's all there is to it. Anyway, we got other, how-to videos and self-help videos, do-it-yourself stuff. If you're working on your motorcycle, your car, your lawnmower, your chainsaw, your hedger. We even got some product reviews. How to do stuff, including entertainment videos. So, if you just want to spend some time, looking at motocross racing or car racing, drag racing. We usually are into high performance kind of videos, so you can just search through our channel. You'll find all kinds of stuff on that. And we're always up to something. So check out our channel, Horsepower House. Google us, Facebook, eBay, of course, YouTube. And that's it. Biker Dave here, Atlanta, Georgia in the house. Y'all have a great day. See ya.